Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy, nutritious snack without no preservatives, no sugar, no additives, nothing. Just beef and salt. All right, so let's get started. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you the items that I'm going to be using to make our healthy snack, beef jerky. We are going to need thinly sliced beef. We're going to need our dehydrator. I'm using a Presto dehydrator with 12 trays. We're going to need Redmond salt, or a Himalayan salt will also work, okay? Okay, so I want to show you a close-up of the label on the meat that I am using today in the video. I buy this meat by the pack. It's like 3 pounds in each package, and I'm going to make 3 packages. And I buy this at Sam's, and it comes already thinly sliced, okay? You could probably get it at any grocery store. Okay, so pictured here, I'm laying out my work area. I have everything set up the way I'm going to need it to start making the beef jerky in like an assembly line using the trays. Okay, so I put the first tray on the dehydrator, and I have this that I use. I use this silicone mat because I don't want the meat to get in between these. It's really hard to scrub out. Okay, so they sell these. You just lay them on there, and then you put your product, whatever you're dehydrating, on here. Okay, so we're going to open our meat. This is thinly sliced beef. Super simple. Alright, so we're going to take our slices, and I'm actually going to like stretch them out. I'm going to stretch them out on the rack. Way they dry faster and they taste better that way. Okay, so I'm going to lay them on the rack. I'm going to stretch them out with my fingers. Okay. Get another piece. Stretch it out. So you see how that hangs over? You can just cut that off or rip it off. There we go. Just going to stretch our meat. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to take our Redmond salt, and we're going to generously salt it. We're only salting our meat on one side, just the top. All right. So now we'll do the next rack. Okay. So let me put all of our meat on our dehydrator, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so now we're ready to turn our dehydrator on. So we need to set our timer and our temperature. So the first thing we're going to do is set the timer over here. We're going to set this to 12 hours. Okay. Now we're going to set our temperature on this side, which needs to be 160 degrees. Okay, and then we are going to hit the start button. All right. So there we go. We have 12 trays of beef jerky. We're going to dehydrate them for 12 hours, okay? So once they're done, I'll meet you back here. All right, our beef jerky is finished. So now we are going to bag it up. Let's look at it. As you can see. And this isn't even the biggest. These are still warm. I'll be putting them in Ziploc bags, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, but I will not seal this. I'll let them cool, and then I'll seal it, okay? It's just the way I do it. That big old piece of beef jerky. It's like having a big old steak. Okay, so that's 12 trays of meat, all dried. Let's get out our scale and see how much we have. Let's see if I can... Okay, so it's zeroed out. You see it? So now let's put our 3 bags on. Let's see how much we have. Looks like we have 2 pounds and almost 7 ounces. 2 pounds, 6.8 ounces. Let's see, it's a lot of beef jerky. It is a lot. So I still have another pack of meat. I'm going to go ahead and set these trays with the 3rd pack of meat. So this is 2 packs of meat that made all of this jerky. I'm going to go ahead and get out that other pack and put it on. Each of these packs is just over 3 pounds of meat. Alright. So let's put this pack in. right, guys, so there you go. You too can do this. It's so simple and it's so much healthier for you to make this at home and feed this to your family and yourself. Okay? Everything that they sell us in the stores is so unhealthy. There's so many chemicals. It's just horrible for your body. Do not eat all of that stuff that they sell at the stores, please. Go back to the basics, okay? This is just meat and salt. It's perfectly healthy for your body, and believe me, your body will thank you. All right? Well, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.